There we go. Should be on.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Alright, I'm ready.
Alright.
But hang on.
Actually, no, it's not.
What's up, guys? Kind of a different video, but I thought I'd upload it anyways. Today we're at Misfits Airsoft, and I decided to do a 1v1 against this one random guy. It was actually really fun, and I thought I'll go ahead and upload it, so hope you guys enjoy.
I can't believe that guy that sniped on YouTube.
Alright, cool. I'll just stay out here.
alright, Brandon. You ready? Good. Go.
This guy is a super sneaky player, as you may see near the end of the video, but I spend most of the beginning of the game just trying to scout, trying to find where he's at. But it's very hard to do because this guy is a very aggressive, very sneaky player, so it's kind of hard to spot him. All of a sudden I hear BBs hitting the barrels, and I'm just like scared to death. I don't know where he's at. I'm trying to look for him all over the place. It's so hard to find this guy. I look literally everywhere, and as you can see in the video, I'm just completely baffled. Since I was not paying attention, he flanks me and eventually kills me. Dang. I didn't know where you were at, bro. I was trying to look for you the whole time.
Yeah.
Were you in the woods?
No, I started up at the tower, and I kind of jimmied down.
Oh.
And then
I was like, where's this guy at?
No, you're good. Like, I was shooting while I was moving too.
Oh, okay.
So I mean, you know, you're ducked in, you can't see.
This was a bit of a different video, guys, but anyways, hope you guys enjoy. I will be definitely making more videos like this in the future, maybe more 1v1s, maybe milsims in the future. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you guys soon.